About 10 years ago, with this class, Food Theory and Skills, we did a service learning project with the Greater Baton Rouge Food Bank. The students went to familiarize themselves with the operation of the food bank and to help load the boxes and go to the distribution sites and see how the food was distributed, what kinds of foods were available, and that kind of thing. And because we were there and because we were doing a service learning project, the Greater Baton Rouge Food Bank asked us to solve a problem for them. Some of the problems they had were that people would get dry beans and they wouldn't know how to prepare them, or they would get other kinds of ingredients that they didn't really have any recipes or were unfamiliar with. And we created our own deviled salmon patty recipe, and we've been making it in the food lab ever since. We even gave it to the Greater Baton Rouge Food Bank at a meeting that they had to see if it was acceptable, and everybody gave it a thumbs up. That same recipe is now in the cookbook that we wrote called A Lovin Spoonful From Us to You. If you can see here, it says LSU, and this was a cookbook that my students and I developed for WIC. So people who are WIC eligible, we still distribute these great little cookbooks, and that recipe for deviled salmon patties is in here.